Okay, so now we're gonna put the cable back in. Okay. And that's about it. Secure the hard drive. Okay. And that's about it for this one. So now we're just gonna put the cover back on and reverse what we did. Thank you for watching. So we took the top cover off. Okay. And so all we did was just gently pry it open. Okay. And that takes care of this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take out the hard drive. So the hard drive is being held by 2 screws. I'll take the 2 screws out. Okay. Should be able to release. There we go. Okay, and now we'll just take the cable out. And that's it. And now we replace the hard drive. You can stop taping, Jake. So today we're going to take apart the Dell Inspiron 5323. So I took all the screws out from the bottom. And we have to take out the wireless card, the cable. Okay. Now we flip it over. Okay. So we gotta take out the keyboard. The keyboard looks like there's 3 tabs, 1, 2, and 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push on the tab and see if we can take it out. Okay. And there's cable connection is right here, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this up. And there we go. And always pop these things back, you know, when you're finished, so you don't inadvertently damage them. So now the keyboard is out. So I got 1, 2, 3 screws, 4 screws right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus I'm gonna take the cable ribbons, all of them out. Okay, again, same process. Okay, and then we'll put the tab back down. Same process here. Tab back down. Tab back down. And this one too. And tab back down. And I think that's it. Okay, so now we're going to take out these screws here. Okay. Looks like a tape. Let me see this tape. Is it from here? No, that's on the below. It looks like it's below, so it has nothing to do with the cover. So now the cover should really start coming apart. Okay. Maybe yellow from here. Okay. Well, there's no more screws. Pause. So now we're replacing the hard drive.
And that's a new one going in, a new hard drive.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's about it. Secure the hard drive. Okay. And that's about it for this one. So now we're just gonna put the cover back on and reverse what we did. Thank you for watching.